All right, hello, my wonderful students. This is part 1 of Foldable 3. Part 1 of Foldable 3, this is what it looks like. So it's section 2.1, using an equation to solve a problem. Find the dimensions. All right, so this is problem number 3 from our Pearson book. So I'm going to read the first part, and then I only wrote down the actual question, which is here. But I'm going to read the first part just so you understand. So, flower carpets incorporate hundreds of thousands of brightly colored flowers, as well as grass, tree bark, and sometimes fountains to form intrinsic designs and motifs. So, the flower carpet shown here, which we're just going to draw a rectangle. Okay. From the Grand Palace in Brussels, Belgium, has a perimeter of 200 meters. So all the way around here is what perimeter does, right? And it says that all the way around is 200 meters. So I'm just going to write 200 meters here. And that's the perimeter. So it's Perimeter. Okay? All right, so now what are the dimensions of the flower carpet? So the first thing we have to do is we have to relate what perimeter is. So perimeter is 2 times. So let's go ahead and do this here. So we're going to relate it first. Relate. So we have 2 times the width plus 2 times the length equals the perimeter. All right, the way we show that mathematically is for width, we actually use W, and for length, we actually use L. So for this one, if we rewrite this in math terms, we have 2W plus 2L is equal to the perimeter. Good. So now we're going to define what we know. So we're going to define, and what's given in the equation is that, too much lead. The length is equal to 3 times the width. Okay, so we're going to define that. So we're going to let x equal the width. That's our W. So if this is the case, then 3x is equal to our length. Because if the length is equal to 3 times our width, then our width is W, which is multiply the length, which is x, by 3, and we get that there. Okay, so the way we would write this is, now we're going to use what we have here and substitute it in. So we'd have 2 times W, which is our x, plus 2 times L, which is our 3x, and this is still equal to P, which is actually, we can actually substitute that as well because we know our perimeter is actually 200, so it's equal to 200. So now we can go ahead and just work this out. We have 2 times x is 2x, plus 2 times 3x is 6x, equal to 200. All right, so now we just go ahead and we distributed here. You can say we multiplied. Okay, so we combine like terms. We have 2x plus 8x is 2x plus 6x is equal to 8x, equal to 200. And that's just combine like terms. I'm just going to put CLT, but it's combine like terms. And then we can go ahead and now do our division property. Divide by 8, divide by 8. We get x is equal to 200 divided by 8. I know 8 quarters is $2, so I know this is going to be 25 because a quarter is 25 cents. And this is division property. And then we just simplify. So now we found the length. So do it in this over here. So we know that x is equal to 25. So we can go back to the equation here. So our width is equal to x. We'll just switch it over. And we know that x is equal to 25. So our width is equal to 25. And then our length, put it in as well as front, is equal to 3 times our x. And we substitute here is equal to 3 times 25. Therefore, the width is 25 meters, and the length is 75. Because I forgot to that part there. Oh, 75 meters. Because if we did 3 times 25, that would equal our 75.